What results in the iPhone being unavailable, and how to fix it. Okay, just keep moving on, for this video is exactly what you are looking for. Part 1. Why does my iPhone say unavailable? Here are some of the most common ones. Your iPhone passcode expired. You or someone else didn't enter the correct passcode on your iPhone. You attempt the inaccurate password more than 10 times. iPhone auto unlocks with random passcodes. Part 2. How long does iPhone unavailable last? Different times of consecutive incorrect password attempts correspond to disparate iPhone unavailable error prompts. In this case, your phone will be completely locked until a professional unlocking tool is taken into consideration. Part 3. Remove iPhone unavailable screen with built-in feature iOS 15.2 or above. 1. Enter the passcode until you see the Erase iPhone option on the device screen. 2. Touch the option. 3. Input your Apple ID and password and confirm the action. 4. After the completion, you can set your iPhone up. Part 4. Bypass iPhone unavailable lock screen via Find My iPhone. 1. Go to iCloud.com on any browser and log in with your Apple ID details. 2. Head over to Find iPhone, all devices. 3. Choose your iPhone that says iPhone unavailable and tap the Erase iPhone option. Part 5. Unlock iPhone unavailable via iTunes. Update iTunes, connect iPhone to computer, enter recovery mode. Open iTunes, choose Restore option. Device will reboot with Hello screen. Part 6. Fix iPhone unavailable with the professional iPhone unlocker. Take a look at iOS Unlock if you'd like to unlock your iPhone without any preconditions. This product is specially designed for Apple users to easily bypass a variety of iOS locks within minutes.